What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're in Newark, New Jersey. There's the Basilica behind me. Man, we headed downtown to the Yard in Military Park. We've been to the Yard before, but we're gonna go this time and try this shrimp burger because everybody telling me like, yo, you had the oxtail burger and we know that was delicious, but you gotta try the shrimp burger. So let's go down to the Yard, man. It's probably about another 5-minute drive from here, man. A lot of weddings and stuff happen there, man, here in Newark, New Jersey. A lot of people getting married. Anyway, man, let's go down to the Yard and check out their shrimp burger. Is open. Let's go in here and check it out, y'all. All right, we back. What's up? Look, y'all, we got some dope people working in the Yard. I had the oxtail burger last time. I'm gonna get the shrimp burger. Yeah. Oh, what's the combo?
The can fries, potato tots, or a side salad.
Or a side salad? Let's do that. That is so not like me to get a salad, y'all. Yeah, you know I used to be vegan. Now she know, y'all. She helped us shoot some films back in the day.
So pepper jack cheese, red raw onion, spicy pickle, tomato, and masala sauce, which is a creamy garlic herb sauce.
Ooh.
That we hook up in here.
Okay, let's do that. Let's do it all. She had to put her John Hancock on there, her knee brand. Look at this, y'all. Where this boy? Alright, cool. Okay, y'all, let's check it out. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? Look, man, I had to get some greens. Y'all know I was gonna get some French fries. This right here is the shrimp burger, y'all. Look at this, man. Look how fresh the vegetables look, man. This is too cool. Look at this, man. I can't, look, this is shrimp burger right there. We gotta lift that up. That's the shrimp burger right there. You got that grilled bun. Oh man, I gotta get into this, y'all. We gotta dig in, we gotta dig in. I wanna lift this burger up. Check this out, y'all. Check it out, check it out. Check it out.
It's really good.
There's a lot going on with
Really good.
brother back there saying it's really good, y'all. Well, let's check it out. Look, there's a lot going on here. Mm. With every bite, right, I'm feeling spices just explode in my mouth. Watch your mouth. Wow. See that sauce? That's their special sauce on there. I can't put it too close to the camera too much. Hold up. Just that alone, man. Let me go in the back end so I can get a good piece of this burger. Yo, like I bit into it, right? And I'm thinking I was gonna just taste this whole mix of like burger. That's shrimp burger. And the shrimp is first, because as soon as I bit into it, I taste delicious shrimp. All right, I gotta lift it up one more time, man. Look at that, man. See that shrimp in there? Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? The burger, when I bit into it first, kind of slid off. Wow, we gotta slide this whole piece down here, y'all. I gotta do it right. I gotta do this right. Stuff's spilling off. I'm gonna eat that in a few minutes. I'm trying to get that shrimp burger dead center. I can just sit here. It's making me be real quiet. I'm at the Yard restaurant here in Military Park, Newark, New Jersey, eating a shrimp burger. That was a good, delicious bite, y'all. I'm sorry, that was a big, delicious bite right there. I'm gonna eat this delicious pickle right here, y'all. She was naming a bunch of sauces when I first came over. When I was at the counter, she was naming a bunch of sauces, and I started to forego the sauces. But there's some delicious spicy sauce I taste on here, man. I don't know what the name of it. I don't want to miscall it. I want to say it's Walla sauce, but I don't think it is. I don't want to misname the sauce. We're going to look at the video clip. We're going to find out what the sauces were on that burger.
Oh, the masala sauce, a creamy garlicky herb. Started at Burger Wall and now it lives and soon be bottled.
The masala sauce, okay.
My man.
What was this? What was the
creamy garlicky herb?
That was on the dressing? The dressing for the salad.
The dressing. I don't know if did it taste like coconut or sesame?
It was coconut. Because she told us before the music was playing.
Yeah,
it's the Osaka, yeah.
Naomi Osaka. It's the Caribbean meets Japan. You know what I'm saying? Coconut and sesame.
Hey, thanks, man. Let me get that door for you, man. You got.
No,
I bit into like half of it already, y'all. There's still a lot left. I took some pretty big bites because I wanted to get everything in there. I got some cheese on here too, y'all. It's delicious. Let's drink a little ting. I know I said I was gonna start just drinking water, but that was last week. So once again, I was here for the oxtail burger, y'all, so y'all know I had to come back. Here in Newark, New Jersey, my man. Here in Newark, New Jersey. There's good food in Newark, man. Y'all know I go around to other places too, but Newark has some nice spots. The owner of this restaurant is born and raised in Newark. Now he owns a business here in Newark. And I think, like, why not give back local? I live in Newark, so why not give back local? I dropped the top. That hot sauce got me like sniffling a little bit. Or I'm not gonna call it hot sauce, it's spicy sauce. Look, y'all, me eat my veggies. See the cucumbers that has like the stripes on them? See that? What kind of cucumber is this? This is not the regular cucumber. Because the cucumber tastes a little sweet too. I'm gonna end the video here. If y'all want a beautiful burger called a shrimp burger, something different, come check out the Yard here in Military Park, Newark, New Jersey, right here off of Park Place. Y'all wanna come check this out. It's absolutely delicious. This is Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people. Thanks for hanging out with me. Love you, cats. Please like, subscribe, or hit the little button down there that says thanks, and do what you can, do what you want. We just appreciate all the support. I'm gonna sit here and eat the rest of this shrimp burger from the Yard. Look at that. See them shrimp in there? See the shrimp? All right there. That's that shrimp. That's what I'm gonna start doing too. I'm gonna start returning to places. If it has really good food, go back there and try something else, you know? Because y'all might have been like, okay, the oxtail burgers are good, but how are the shrimp burgers? Now you know. Delicious.